I never made it, but I know what it takes. I'm motivated by a mix of emotion. Got my statement.
Hi everyone, this is me Esmatullah and welcome to my YouTube channel. If you are new to my YouTube channel, please make sure to subscribe my YouTube channel and click the notification bell icon to get all of my updates. Okay guys, first of all, thank you so much for everything you did to support me, and we hit a milestone on this channel. We finally hit 170 subscribers to this channel, and that's really awesome. Thank you so much. When I'm looking to my channel is progressing. I hope one day I can monetize my channel. And one of my friend asked me, okay, what is your goal? I mean, why are you doing this YouTube videos, or you're making videos, and what's your purpose behind this? Okay, my main goal is not just making money on YouTube. My main goal is spread the message that I want to share with you guys, and it doesn't matter if we are a small community. For me, it's enough to have wonderful people like you guys are watching me or watching my videos. It's a great honor to me. Okay, and yeah, my second goal is to monetize my channel. But first of all, I need some requirements that YouTube has. For example, I have to have 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch time hours, and we need two things that we should accomplish. As I think, yeah, we can do this because you are supporting me and you're watching my stuffs, and I really want you guys to help me and watching my videos. If I do some mistakes, please forgive me, or please share your ideas about my videos and about my channel in comment section below. And I really need your help, because without your helping, I'm nothing. My YouTube channel has nothing without you guys, because you help me to grow my channel. And finally, I have 170 people to this community or to this YouTube channel, and this is a great honor to me. And thank you so much guys for helping me to reach this position that I have today. At the end of this video, I want to tell you guys, I really like this quote. I really don't remember who told this, but it's really interesting quote. A hungry stomach, an empty pocket, and a broken heart can teach you the best lessons of life. Okay, thank you so much for watching this video. Please give us a big thumbs up, and please make sure to subscribe my YouTube channel and click the notification bell icon to get all of my updates. Thank you so much guys. 170 subscribers. Bye.